Hello friends,
Hello.
welcome to our channel Toy Small, and today we are going to unbox another 12-inch action figure. This is from Hasbro and this is Spider-Man Homecoming movies Supervillain, that is Marvel's Vulture. So friends, let's start with the unboxing, and before we go ahead, please do subscribe to our channel and hit like and comment on our video, and please do share our video and press the bell icon as well. Thanks. I have Meghali with me who is going to help me in unboxing this action figure. So let's start with the unboxing of Vulture 12-inch action figure.
Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you. So friends, before I unbox, let me show you this strangely this superhero comes inverted in this box, and let me show you the box before I go ahead. So this is Marvel Spider-Man Homecoming movies action figure. So if you see electronic Marvel's Vulture, it's, with the Hasbro logo over there. Let me turn around the box so that you can have a good look at it. So here you see Spider-Man, which is in inverted position, and there you see the picture of Vulture, which we are going to unbox now. You see Marble and Hasbro logo over there. I'll just turn it around. Another inverted picture of Spider-Man here. So let me pull out the action figure now. So the action figure. Let me pull out its
What's
wings
this?
as well.
What is this?
Yeah, those are accessories.
Thank you, Daddy. And more.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay,
The wings are
Daddy.
out. I'll have to fix the wings here. Let me see. I'm able to fix it. Okay, I'll fix the wings later on. So this is the wings. Before I go ahead, let me check the articulations of this action figure. Let me check how many articulations are there and what are the features of this action figure. Let me turn around the action figure Vulture around for you. So this is the back side. There we are able to fix a battery, and these are the arms. Okay, let's check the head. Okay, a twist. Okay, there is good flexibility in the head. Let me check the arms. Okay, I'm able to lift it up, push it back. Yeah, this is this amount I'm able to turn around. Let me check the left hand. Yeah, so this is a bit stiff, but yes, it
And they
moves.
can also this one.
Yeah, and the hand moves, and I'm able to twist it, both the hands. Let me check the legs. I'm able to pull up the leg, the left leg. There is no knee bend, knee joint is not there, but yeah, even though it's good. Let me check the other leg. This much I'm able to lift it up. Okay, check this button. Okay, this is a talking action figure.
And,
It makes noise.
and maybe two.
Yeah.
This is a Vulture.
Yes. Okay, it makes noise. Okay, now let me fix the wings. There we go. Wings of the Vulture is up.
What
Now
is
you
this?
have a good look.
What is
This is the
this?
full picture.
What is this?
Full
Daddy, what is this?
Vulture.
Vulture. This
fine.
is doing a fly.
Yeah, it flies. Okay, friends, let me turn around the action
And
figure.
this, they're doing a sound.
You can have a
Let me
good
see.
look at the action figure from the back. So that's it.
Wait. Give me
You
two.
want to have a look? Yeah.
Let me see. Oh no, Vulture.
Yeah, Vulture makes noise. Okay, friends, that's all in our unboxing today. And again, let me request you to subscribe to our channel and hit like and comment on our video.
Bye bye.
Please do share, and until next time,
Bye.
bye. Thank you.